Born into wealth, yet fell in love with the street. Money doesn't create emotional wealth, it just promotes your parents' health. Can't tell me what to do, can't tell me what I know. It's let me be my truth, that creates the world I know. Fell for the wrong guy, left in the passenger side, left to feel weak. Broken bones, shattered nerves, broken spine and a fractured mind. No longer could I walk, no longer could I run free. A new life was learned, one that showed the true me. Strength has my back, good friends kept me strong. Feeling trapped was the game, relearn and show the wrongs. Wheels replace my stride, but don't think I can glide. Life came to be, a new life with new mind. Free from my chains yet, strapped a new state of mind. Life came to be, life came to be. A new life with new mind. Free from my chains yet, strapped a new state of mind. I am who you think. Don't forget to be afraid. I am who you think. I am who you think. Don't forget to be afraid. I came back from the depths. I swam and I swam to show the world who I am. I am numb from waist down, but I refuse to stay underground. Fuck what you know, I glide faster than you can think. See me in my chair and know I got wronged, but fuck all, they'll never let him keep me down. Down, 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 down. The fuck all, they never let him keep me down. Don't forget to be afraid. I am who you think.
Yeah, Phone to minds again. Or the Bovany tree. Fuck what you think. Focus on being free. Yeah. Born in the forest, came from way out deep. Isolated and controlled, chose to get raised by the trees. Alone and afraid is how I was made. Beaten and controlled was how I was tamed. From behind bed windows, the trees were called to me. Desperate and afraid, a new home was made. Running through the trees, falling over and hitting my knees. Getting lost amongst the trees and pretending I was free. The only place I could truly breathe, it was the streets that truly saved me. From the moment I could flee, just another jungle, but this one wasn't free. This piece is a cost, and it made me miss the trees. Surrounded by junkies, meth heads, and pee. The streets were never for me. This isn't freedom, it's just people who never got off their knees. I fought with myself, the world, and police.